Interested in making money online? Read this. Are you interested in making money online? Maybe you would like an additional source of income but don't have a lot of time to do so? Perhaps you are looking to earn a full-time income from the comforts of your own home. No matter why you are here, there are great tips below to help anyone get starting making money online, so keep watching. Before you set your heart on making money online, set your household up. Making sure you are free from interruptions can be a very important part of your success. Children, spouses, and other people can cut you off at the most inconvenient times. Make sure your time is your own, so you can maximize earnings. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. As stated in the above video, making money online is simple and convenient when there is a great plan to follow. You can do it, and all you need to do is remember what you learned in this video. It is important though, that you always continue to learn new things so you can continue to cash in on all the different ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.